Did you know that the average family throws away over $1,500 worth of food every year? That's literally like taking your hard earned cash and dumping it straight into the trash. And with grocery prices skyrocketing faster than my coffee addiction, we're all feeling the pinch. But here's the tea: I've cracked the code on slashing those grocery bills, and today I'm spilling it all. Let's talk about something that's hitting everyone's wallet hard: your grocery budget. Whether you're a busy professional, a parent juggling family meals, or just someone trying to eat well without going broke, this video is your cheat sheet to major savings. I've spent years researching money saving hacks, and these strategies are totally game changing. Trust me, your bank account will thank you later. That's why today I'll take you to easy ways to save on your food budget and cut grocery costs. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and that little notification bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our video updates. Plus, it helps us spread the Thrive Wise love to help more people thrive wisely. Now, let's begin. But first, let's get real for a minute about what we're all dealing with. Inflation is doing the most right now, and grocery prices are absolutely wilding. I'm seeing comments every day from people struggling to keep up, and the statistics are low-key terrifying. Here's what's actually going down. The average household is spending about 25% more on groceries compared to just 2 years ago. And it's not just about the prices. It's the whole shopping experience that's becoming overwhelming. Picture this: you're standing in the grocery store, trying to make healthy choices, but the organic produce is giving luxury brand prices. You've got meal plans, but the ingredients you need are either out of stock or cost way more than they did last week. Then there's the mental load of comparing prices, checking unit costs, and trying to remember if that sale price is actually a good deal. And don't even get me started on food waste. You buy fresh produce with the best intentions, but life gets crazy busy. Next thing you know, you're finding science experiments in the back of your fridge. It's not just a waste of food, it's literally throwing money away. The struggle is especially real for families trying to feed multiple mouths on a tight budget, people with dietary restrictions paying premium prices for specific foods, busy professionals who end up ordering takeout because meal planning feels impossible, and anyone trying to eat healthy without spending their entire paycheck. And here's the thing: traditional budgeting advice like just buy generic or clip coupons isn't cutting it anymore. We're in a whole new economy, and we need modern solutions that actually work in real life. The most frustrating part? Many people feel like they have to choose between eating well and saving money. But I'm here to tell you that's a false choice. You absolutely can have both, and I'm about to show you how exactly. Alright, let's dive into these money-saving strategies. I've tested these personally, and they're serving major results. Let's kick things off with number 1, the Sunday Reset Revolution. Listen, meal planning isn't just for those aesthetic Instagram influencers with their color-coded containers. Think of it like being the director of your own food movie. You're calling the shots before chaos can take over. Here's the tea. Studies show people who meal plan save an average of $160 per month. That's basically a new pair of AirPods every 2 months. But here's how you can make it actually work. Stop trying to channel your inner Gordon Ramsay with complicated recipes. Instead, embrace what I call the remix method. Cook once, eat thrice. That chicken you're grilling on Monday, it's starring in tacos on Tuesday and making a cameo in your salad on Wednesday. Work smarter, not harder. Number 2, the bulk buying glow up. Listen, buying in bulk isn't just for doomsday preppers anymore. It's giving smart investor energy. Think of it like buying stocks when they're low, except instead of crypto, you're investing in pasta and paper towels. Real talk, buying bulk can save you up to 40% on staples. But here's the plot twist. Don't go bulk buying everything like you're preparing for a zombie apocalypse. Focus on your ride or die items. You know, the ones you'd swipe right on in a grocery store dating app. And please learn from my mistake. Don't bulk buy those fancy organic cookies you'd never even tried before. That's the equivalent of getting bangs during a crisis. It's risky business. Number 3. The coupon game. But make it 2024. Forget what you saw on extreme couponing because we're not trying to turn our basements into convenience stores. Modern couponing is more like having a secret cheat code for your grocery run. Download apps like Ibotta, Checkout 51, or your store's app. They're basically like having a rich aunt who gives you money back on things you were going to buy anyway. And here's a fun fact. The average Ibotta user saves $150 per year. And that's just from casual use. I've personally turned it into a game. Every time I save more than $20, I do a little victory dance in the parking lot. Security probably thinks I'm unhinged, but my bank account is thriving. Number 4. The seasonal shopping strategy. Shopping seasonal produce is like following fashion trends, except it actually saves you money instead of emptying your wallet. When you buy strawberries in winter, you're basically paying for their first-class plane ticket from another hemisphere. So here's some math that will blow your mind. Seasonal vegetables can cost up to 50% less than out-of-season ones. Plus, they taste better. Like the difference between gas station sushi and actual Japanese restaurant sushi. Trust me, your taste buds and your wallet will thank you. Number 5. The store brand scandal. Let me spill some industrial tea. Many store brands are made in the exact same factories as the fancy name brands. You're literally paying extra for prettier packaging. It's like buying Supreme when Target has the same thing without the logo. I did a blind taste test with my friends using store brand versus name brand cereals. And guess what? Nobody could tell the difference. The only difference was in my bank account. Store brands are typically 20 to 30% cheaper. That's the kind of plot twist I live for. Number 6. The strategic shopping time hack. Are you ready for this? The time you shop can actually affect your bill more than you think. Shopping on a full stomach is shopping 101. But let's level up. Hit the stores on Wednesday mornings. Why? It's because most stores restock and mark down items midweek. Plus, they're honoring last week's deals while starting new ones. It's like catching a retail double rainbow. And here's the golden ticket. Most stores mark down perishables in the evening, especially the day before their scheduled deliveries. Ask your store when they get deliveries. It's like getting the cheat codes to a video game. I've scored organic chicken for half price just by showing up at 7 p.m. instead of 7 a.m. Now, let me put you onto something that literally changed my whole grocery game. Something I call the discount store dynasty. Look, I used to be that person who thought discount groceries were giving struggle meals and expired vibes. Boy, was I serving myself a plate of wrong. Here's the moment that shook me. I did a price comparison experiment between my regular bougie grocery store and a discount store. Same items, same brands, same everything. The difference? A whopping $187 on a typical family grocery run. And that's not just pocket change. That's start a side hustle money you're leaving on the table. And that's for every month. But here's the plot twist that had me absolutely floored. Many discount grocers are getting their produce from the exact same suppliers as the fancy stores. I'm talking same factories, same quality, same everything. Just without the premium price tag and the fancy lighting. It's like finding out your designer bag and your friend's dupe came from the same factory. Mind blown. And let me hit you with some numbers that will make your jaw drop. Shopping primarily at discount grocers can slash your grocery bill by 30 to even 50%. For the average family, spending 1,200 monthly on groceries, we're talking about saving $400 to $600 every single month. That's vacation money, investment money, or finally start that emergency fund money. And get this, most discount stores are stepping up their organic and specialty food game. I literally found imported Italian pasta at Aldi's for less than what I was paying for store brand at Whole Foods. It's like finding designer clothes at thrift store prices. The ultimate financial glow up. Also, what's the craziest amount you've ever saved on a single grocery trip using any of these strategies? Drop your savings victory story down below. Let's inspire each other to keep stacking that grocery money. And well, that's basically easy ways to save on your food budget and cut grocery costs. And thank you guys so much for watching today's video. And hey, it seems that YouTube thinks that the next video can completely transform your financial situation. Watch it to find out whether they're correct. And please don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos on how to thrive wisely. Till next time.